Hello everyone, it's Sheila back again. I'm going to do another tutorial, and this time it's this pattern here that I showed you yesterday, and I'm showing you how to do it. It's a larger diamond. It's the same pattern but just larger, just to show how many rows, extra rows and that, for to get it from this size to this size. So I'll start off with, so as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, the 4 diamonds across the bottom. I call these long diamonds because they're longer than the other one. So I'll start off with, I'm going to knit the first stitch. I've got 25 stitches on this needle, and then it's 5 purl stitches, and 1 knit stitch, that's 5 purl stitches again, 1 knit stitch, 5 purl stitches, one knit stitch, 5 purl stitches, one knit stitch. That's the first row, and the second row is exactly the same, only you're reversing the stitches. Instead of doing knit 1 and purl 5, it's purl 1 and knit 5. And purl 1 again and knit 5. And I'll meet you at the end of that row. It's the last 3 stitches, knit 2, that's purl 1. So there you see, that's the point of the diamond there that's just started, and each row that I do will have 2 rows of each, where the other one I did, this one only had 1 row of each, 1 row with 1, 1 row with 3, 1 row with 5, 1 row with 3, and back down to 1 row with 1. Only I'm doubling the stitches on this one. So the next one is going to be knit 2, and then purl 3, and knit 3, and purl 3, knit 3. So this row is all purl 3 and knit 3. And then the last 2 stitches. You can see the point and the next bit of the 3 stitches in between there now. And the next row is just the same again, but reversing those stitches. So it's purl 2, oops, I've only purled 1 there, purl 2, and then knit 3. Purl 3, knit 3, then purl 3 again, and I'll meet you at the end of that row. In the last stitches, purl 2, and the next stitch now, we'll start off with knit 3. And it's purl 1 and knit 5. And purl 1, knit 5, and then purl 1, knit 5, purl 1, and knit 3, and there you can see that's half of the diamond taking shape. And then the next row is exactly the same, but reversing the stitches. So it'll be purl 3, knit 1, purl 5, knit 1, and then purl 5 again, and then it'll be knit 1, and I'll meet you at the end of that row. And it's knit 1 and purl 3. There you can see the diamond starting to form now, and the next row is the same as the row that was the 2 rows before those 2. It's knit 3 and purl 3. So I'm going to knit 2, purl 3, 2, 3, knit 3, purl 3, knit 3, purl 3, knit 3, purl 3, knit 2, last stitch, and there's the diamond getting bigger. And I'm going to do exactly the same again, just reversing the stitches. So I'm starting with purl 2 instead of knit 2. And then knit 3, purl 3, and then it'll be knit 3 and purl 3 all across the row, and I'll meet you at the end of that row. And the last 3 stitches, knit 1, purl 2. And now coming back down to the where we started, the same as the first stitch, it's only going to be one knit stitch. So I'll start off with 1 knit stitch on this row, and it's purl 5 stitches. That's 5, knit 1, 5 purl stitches, one knit stitch, 5 purl stitches, one knit stitch, 5 purl stitches, and the last stitch is a knit stitch. There you see that. Diamond's almost finished forming. And then the next row, same again, reversing the stitches. So it's purl 1 and knit 5. One knit stitch, and then one purl stitch, and then 5 knit stitches all the way across the row, and I'll meet you at the end of that row. So the last 3 stitches, knit 2, the last stitch, purl 1. And that's that pattern with the multiples of 6, and there are 4 rows of plain stocking stitch in between, and then the next row of diamonds are started in the middle where the single stitch is here. You start the next, so they come in between the 2 here. And then after that row there are 4 rows of just ordinary stocking stitch, 1 row knit and 1 row purl. And I'll meet you at the end of that. So that's the 4 rows of stocking stitch I've done. So that's another one of my own designs, and it's a long diamond, and the diamond has 2 4, 6, 8, 10. There's actually 10 rows to the actual diamond and 4 rows in between of the stocking stitch. So it's a 14 row repeat for each diamond. So it would be 28 row repeat for to do the second one that comes in between the other two down here. So that's my little video for today. So if you like my video and would like to see more, please subscribe and give it a like. So thank you for watching and bye for now.